Keep your back straight. Close your eyes. Hold hands in Namaskar Mudra. Keep attention on your incoming and out breath. We begin the class with a prayer. Chant the prayers with me or say the visions of the prayer. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sharirasya cha vaidyakena yogaparotam pravaram munina patanchalim prachaliravatovati. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunatu Sahaviryam Sarvavare Tejasvinavatimastu Ma Vidvishavare. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Visualize your body and mind being surrounded by three protective layers. The outer protective layer consisting of 6 friendly creatures protecting you from 6 different directions. Visualize a peacock in front of you, an elephant at the back, a tiger on the right, a lion on the left, an eagle above you, and a black tortoise under you. The middle layer of protection comes from a ring of fire with several balls of fire around it. Draw the energy from this fire, heal your body and mind. The third layer of protection comes from the subtle energy of Om chanting. Visualize the location of the chakra as I mentioned, the number of petals in the lotus and the color of lotus as I mentioned. And with each time, increase the pitch, the volume of your Om chanting. Bring your attention to the Mooladhara chakra, the cervix or the anal region. Visualize 4-petal lotus, the color is red. Take a deep breath in. Bring your attention to the Swadhisthana, the tailbone or the spinal terminus. The 6-petal lotus, the color is orange. Breathe in. Bring your attention to the Manipur chakra behind your navel center. A 10-petal lotus, the color is yellow. Breathe in. Bring your attention to the Anahat chakra, your heart center. Visualize a 12-petal lotus, the color is green. Breathe in. Bring your attention to the Vishuddhi chakra, your throat pit. Visualize 16-petal lotus, the color is blue. Breathe in. Bring your attention to the Ajna chakra, the eyebrow center. A 2-petal lotus, the color is indigo. Breathe in. And finally, bring attention to the Sahasrara chakra, the crown of your head. Visualize a 1,000-petal lotus, the color is white. Make your Omkar as loudly as you can. Take a deep breath in. device in a muted mode. I'll switch it with you all in somebody's. Yeah, Vandana, I think you need to put your device in a muted mode. Yeah. Just release your legs. Stretch your legs. Stretch your legs. Make a fist of your hands. Place them on your thighs. Keep your back straight. Lengthen your spine. Keep your eyes closed. Look straight. Start breathing in. Stretch your hand, right hand up. I'm sorry. Stretch your right hand closer to your ear. Breathing out. Gently bring your hand on. Take your left hand up. Stretch, stretch. When you stretch your shoulder, you get a lower back stretch. Lengthen your spine. 6 more rounds, right and left hand round. Right hand, stretch, straighten the elbow, down, left. Five more rounds. Practice correctly. See if you can practice with your eyes closed, aankhein band. Simple practice to maintain the health of your back. Last 2 rounds. Try to complete on both the sides. Before you stop the practice, see that you complete on right and left. Complete your practice. Now fold your legs. Stretch your hands in line with your shoulders. Press right hand, your right hand on your left knee, left hand at the back. Twist your spine. A simple practice. Keep your back straight. Look over your left shoulder. Feel the tightness around your waist, your abdomen. Change to your right side. Two more rounds. One last time. Slow. Come to the center. Now continue. Now place your left leg, left knee above your right. Let your left leg be up, right leg be down. So just correct yourself. If you're doing it, if you place it wrongly, just keep your left leg up, right leg down. Stretch your hands in line with your shoulder. Now breathe in, breathing out. Once more, right hand on your left knee. Twist your spine. Try to maintain slightly longer. Now come to the center. Stretch your hands up. Interlock your fingers. Turn your palms up. Turn your palms up. Stretch. Stretch, stretch. Now breathe in. Bring your hands at the back of your neck like this. Don't look down. Look straight. And now breathe in. Give lateral bend. It's a combination practice of twisting and a lateral stretch. Go down as much as you can on the left side. Only on the left. Come to the center, release your. Now change. Place your right leg up. We'll repeat the practice. Hands in line with your shoulders. Breathe in. Now left hand on your right knee. Right hand at the back. Twist. Try to maintain slightly longer. Look over your right shoulder. So come to the center. Stretch your hands up. Turn your palms up. Stretch. Stretch. So bring your hands to the back of your neck. So breathing out. Give lateral bend to your right side. Release. And just relax. Just close your eyes. Close your right nostril. We go to practice Shwasana Marga Shuddhi of cleansing practice. Go with the count. You have to breathe out only from the left nostril. Contract your abdomen each time and go with the count. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Close left. Same practice to the right nostril. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now hands on your knees to both the nostrils. Same practice, back straight. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now keep hands on your palms on each other. Place them on your feet like this. Padma Mudra, the lotus pose. Stick your tongue to your upper palate. जिह्वा बंद. जिबान को अपर तालू पे चिपकाना है. Stick your tongue to your upper palate. Feel the below the tongue. Keep your breathing on. This practice is important for us ladies, for our thyroid glands. It maintains the health of the hormones in our body. Gently release. Set your hands. Spread your fingers. Keep your back straight. Now breathe. Stretch your tongue out. Ziban Bahar. Stretch your tongue out. Gently take your head down. Let the top of your tongue come closer to your chest. Take your tongue in first. Raise your head. Once again, keep hands in Padma Mudra. Your right palm is up. We practice neck exercise for our thyroid gland and to release the stiffness from our shoulders and our upper back. As you breathe in, gently take your head up back. Give a good stretch to your throat. Close your eyes if you can. Chin. Keep your head down. Bring your chest. Unless you have up neck pain, you can keep your head straight. Otherwise, drop your head down to your chest. Feel the stretch at the back of your neck. Change. Raise your head up. Turn your head to your side. Look over your right shoulder. To your left, to take your turn as much to your left as possible. This practice again for thyroid gland to relieve neck pain. Come to the center. Give lateral bend. Your right ear comes closer to your right shoulder. Feel the stretch on the left side of your neck. To your left. Come to the center. Check. Rub your palms, massage your neck, your throat. Now, those of you got lower back pain will not do a full forward bend. You can just do a gently forward bend. Others will try and go down a little more to give pressure to the lower abdomen. Interlock your fingers at the back and go down very, very slowly as per your capacity. बिल्कुल अपनी क्षमता के अनुसार. Start breathe in, and as you breathe gently, bend forward and let your hands come. Get a good sit at the back. Practice 2 more rounds. Change. Breathe in. Stretch forward. आगे झुकेंगे. Stretch forward. Go down a little more. Feel pressure at the lower back. Let your hands come up towards your head side. Come up one last time. Try to bring your hands a little more to your head side. And now, those of you got back pain, do a simple backward bend. You can just sit straight, sit in a cross-leg pose, and just do a backward bend. We did a forward bend now. It should be followed by a backward bend. Those of you got no knee pain, you can do a slightly difficult practice. Go into this. Stand on your knees. I can show you. Stand on your knees. You can keep your feet in a standing position. Be careful. Keep your eyes open. It's also a balancing pose. Your feet, knees and your feet parallel to each other. Stretch your hands up. Try to catch your heels. Bend. If you find it very difficult, keep your hands on your lower back. Push your forward and just bend back. This is the basic, the simplest of the practice. Those of you can practice slightly advanced. Stretch your hands up, catch your heels. If you find it difficult, do a simple backward bend. नहीं कर सकते, just bend back like this. Just bend back. complete practice. Now stretch your right leg like this. Hold your left leg, stretch your right leg. Unless you find your lot of pain in your knees, you can do this practice. We'll do a slightly different practice. कोशिश करेंगे. If you find it difficult, then you lie on your back and do the practice. आप leg raises कर लीजिए. Do any other practice. Stretch your hands. Now you have to, the knee which is bent, जो पाँव मुड़ा हुआ है, you're going to take your hands that side. You breathe in, go down. 1, 2, up. 3, come straight. Bring your hands straight. 4, straight. 5, straight. 6, straight. 7, straight. 8, straight. 9, straight. Last time. 10. Bend and maintain. Look up. Release. Change. Hold right leg. Stretch your left leg. Adjust your leg in line with your waist, your shoulder. If you find a lot of strain to your right knee, lie on your back and just relax. Don't do this practice. Stretch your hands. Start. 1, up. 2, up. 3, up. 4, up. 5, up. 6, up. 7, up. 8, up. 9, up. Last time. Bend towards your right side. Look towards your left. Release. And please lie on your back. Just relax for some time. Relax. Keep some comfortable distance between your legs. You begin with a spinal twist practice. Hold your legs in the knee. If you feel any discomfort, any pain during the practice to your knees, just stop. अगर घुटनों में कोई भी दर्द महसूस होता है तो just stop your practice and stretch your legs straight. Others can continue with the practice. Hold your legs. Keep your feet hip distance apart. Stretch your hands in line with your shoulders. Now breathe in, breathing out. Bend both your knees to your right side. Try to lower your left knee a little closer to your right foot. Turn your face to your left. Knees to your right, face to your left. Feel the stretch, the twist over back, around your abdomen. Breathing in, come to the center. Breathing out, bend your knees to your left. Turn your face to your right. Try to lower your right knee a little more to your left foot. A little more stretch to your thigh. An excellent practice to prevent and control diabetes and for your relief back pain. Practice 2 more rounds. And try to maintain slightly longer. थोड़ा देर और maintain करेंगे. Gently bend your knees to your left. Close your eyes, practice with complete awareness. And practice last round. Maintain slightly longer. Keep your breathing normal. Try not to hold your breath. Last time to your left. Complete your practice. Stretch your legs. Keep distance between your legs and relax. Relax in Shavasana. We practice Ardha Pavana Muktasana. Practice to strengthen your digestion, your intestinal muscles. Feet together. Practice the entire variation with breathing. As you breathe in, take your right leg up. Fold. Now maintain. Give a little pressure side of your abdomen. Breathing out. Gently raise your head up. Look, head down. One more. Fold your leg. Just fold your leg. Keep your knee folded. Interlock your fingers around your knee or below your knee. Just maintain. Try not to release. We'll do a slight variation. Now, once you bring your head down, release your left hand. Keep your right knee either from above your knee, right knee, or under your right knee. Take it a little to the right side. Open up your pelvic joint. Take your right knee to the right side. And see if you can gently raise your head up. Keep your left hand by the side of your body. Raise your head up. Come to the center. Stretch your right leg up. Gently bring it down. So we practice 3 of our regular rounds and 1 round is the variation. Take your left leg up. Fold your leg in the knee. If you need pain, then you interlock your fingers from under your knees. No knee pain above your knees. Practice 3 rounds of raising your head up. Breathing in, head down. Second round. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, raise your head up. Try to bring your forehead closer to your left knee. One last time. Take it up. Release right hand. Place it by your side of your body. Keep your left hand over your left knee. Take your left knee to the left side. Open up your pec joint. And breathing out, raise your head up. Bring your head down. Gently release left leg. And just relax. Feel the after effect of the practice in the abdominal region. Hold your legs in the knees. Keep your feet hip distance apart. Hands closer to your heels. Keep your palms facing the floor. Try to bring them closer to your heels. We practice the bridge pose of the Setu Bandhasan. A practice to strengthen your lower back and the lower abdominal organ. Start breathing in. Gently raise your hips up. Stretch your hands behind. Stretch your hands behind.
Chitra, I'm lost.
Yeah, okay, one second. Stretch your hands behind. Raise your hips up. Stretch your hands behind. Try to raise your hips a little more in the final pose. Keep your breathing normal. Change. Bring your hips down, hands down. Second round, practice one more variation. As you breathe in, raise your hips up. Bring your feet a little closer to your body. Raise your heels up. Raise your heels up. Raise your heels up. And if you're very comfortable, stretch your hands behind. So your hips are up, heels are up, hands are behind. Feel a little pressure to the sides of your neck for thyroid glands. Just maintain. Slow. Breathing out, hips down. Let your hands come down, heels down. One last practice. This practice is to strengthen your chest and the back. As you breathe in, raise your hips up. Just listen to the instructions. Raise your hips up. Interlock your fingers under your hips. Stretch them straight in the elbows. Bring shoulder blades at the back closer. Stretch your hands straight in the elbows. Expand your chest. So your hips are up. Feet are interlocked under your hips. Hands are straight in the elbows. Chest is nicely expanded. Shoulder blades at the back come closer. Just maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Try not to release. Now gently lower your, press your hips to your hands. Release your hands. Bring your hips down. Stretch your legs. And just relax. All these practices strengthen your lower back, the lower abdominal organs, and good for your thyroid gland situated on the sides of your neck. And now you can practice leg raises, whichever way you're comfortable. Practice leg raises. Support your hands under your hips. You can practice one leg. Practice with both the legs, whichever way you're comfortable. Just few rounds. Good practice to improve the blood flow in the entire leg, prevent cramps, varicose veins. Do it slowly. As you breathe in, your leg should go up. Breathing out, gently bring your leg down. If you are very comfortable, you can practice with both the legs. Be careful if you have back pain or in your monthly cycle. complete your practice. Just relax. See that if you're practicing with both the legs, that you complete with the right and the left, and just relax. We'll do one last practice. Hold your legs in the knees. Keep your feet hip distance apart. Keep your hands by the side of your body. Now try not to lift your head. You do this practice without lifting your head. This practice is to massage abdominal organs. Breathe in, breathe out completely. Now draw your abdomen in. Pull your abdomen into your back. Pull your abdomen into your spine. Lower your chin to your chest and just hold. Bring your chin to your chest. Draw your abdomen in. No breathing. Just hold for a few seconds. Release abdomen. Release chin. Normal breathing. Practice next round. This time you're going to hold slightly longer and you're going to draw the abdomen in a little more towards your spine. Breathe in, breathe out. Lock your chin to your chest without lifting your head. Draw your abdomen in. Feel the tightness around the abdominal region. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release abdomen. Release chin lock. One last round. This time we're going to hold slightly longer. Breathe in, breathe out. Lower your chin to your chest without raising your head. Draw your abdomen in a little more. Feel the tightness around the nipple region. Hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release abdomen. Release chin lock. And just relax for some time. Turn to one side. Thank you. Sit up. Take the support of your hands. Take your time. You can stretch your legs if you want. You can sit on a chair if you want. Let's get ready for the breathing practices and the cleansing practice to begin with. Keep your back straight. Place your hands on your knees. Close your eyes if you can. Please do not practice if you have high pressure in your monthly cycle. Take a deep breath in. Stop. Stop your practice. Keep your eyes closed and wait for your breathing to become normal. We'll practice alternate nasal breathing or Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Keep your left hand on chin mudra. Keep the tip of your thumb and index finger together. Place your left palm on your knee. Use your right hand. Close your right nostril with your right hand thumb. First two fingers at the eyebrow center. Without any sound, breathe in through left nostril. Close left. Gently open right nostril. Breathe out. Breathe in through right. Close right nostril with your thumb. Open left. Breathe out. This completes one round. Continue the practice. Breathe in. Close left. Open right. Breathe in through right. Close. Open left. Continue the practice. Keep your back straight. Feel the subtle, the gentle touch of breath at the base of your nostrils. As you breathe in, your breath is slightly cool. And as it gently flows out of the nostrils, it is slightly warm. Become aware of the subtle temperature each time you breathe in and breathe out. Practice last two rounds. Complete your practice. Keep your eyes closed. This practice brings a better balance between your body and mind, between your left brain and the right brain. Once you're done with this practice, open your palms on your knees. Keep attention to your navel region. We're going to chant the mantra, the sound Akar. This practice energizes your body and mind through the navel region. Chant loudly. Take a deep breath in. Breathe in. Breathe Last round. Breathe in. Open your hands. Lie on your abdomen. पेट के बल लेट जाए. Lie on your abdomen. Keep your forearms down. Gently take your head up and back. Relax your lower back, the lower abdomen. Keep comfortable just between your legs. Adjust your body. Breathing noise. We're going to chant Bhramari Pranayam and feel you're relaxing your back muscles as you chant the prayer. Take a deep breath in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Last round. Breathe in. Make a fist your hands and place them on each other. And place your chin on your fist. Keep feet at a comfortable distance. We'll repeat the practice. Take a deep breath in. Last round. No. Keep your forearms from your elbows to your fingertips by the side of your upper body. Keep your forehead down. We'll practice Bhramari Pranayam. Last time. Breathe in. Okay. Squeeze to one side. Just relax for some time. Keep your eyes gently closed. Turn to one side. Take your time. Gently sit up. We'll end the class with a Shanti Path. Let's pray for peace for everyone. Keep hands in fold. Hold your hands in Namaskar Mudra. You can chant the prayers with me in the vibrations of the prayer. Asutoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityua Amritam Gamaya Sarvesham Swastir Bhavatu Sarvesham Shantir Bhavatu Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Sayambakam Yajanahi Sugandhim Pushtivarnam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Dityo Nakshiyamamrita Om Shanti Shanti. Deepami 3 times. Bye. So we'll have a class, all the classes up to Thursday this week, and next week we'll have a break for Diwali. Is that okay? Let's say Thursday we'll have the class. So
Chitra? Hi,
yes.
Chitra, yes. Good. Hi. Could you please send me a message on my mobile and ask Ramesh to send me a message as well? I've lost all my numbers.
Oh, I'll do that. I will do that. Sure, I will.
Thank you so much. Thank you so.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye, everybody.